Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. A few days ago, I broke a 210 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram, you can just check it out. And I want to be the best at helping people build consistency, that's why I also rehearse on my live stream. Hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is June 17th, 2025, and this is going to be day 344 of consistently helping people build consistency. Have you ever heard about the mindset, the quote, rely on discipline and not motivation? Well, I actually really do agree with this quote. I think this is a really great perspective on how to see motivation, on how to see discipline, on how to see consistency. Because, hey, motivation isn't going to be there 100% of the time. We need to learn on how to do the thing even when we don't feel like we are feeling motivated to do the thing. But the problem that I see here is that lots of people, okay, they, including my past version of myself, they only like to agree to this mindset without actually implementing anything to their life. It looks like, scrolling through social media and finding this quote and say, oh, you know what? Yeah, this is a really great quote. I agree with it. But then, go back scrolling for hours and hours without actually implementing anything. Well, we do not want this to happen in our life, right? So I'm going to be giving you guys a really practical way on how to implement the mindset on your day-to-day life. So let's say the thing that you wanted to be consistent at doing here is studying, okay? You can also implement this at exercising, at meditating and lots of other things, but let's say you wanted to be consistent at studying. The thing that you wanted to be doing here is that you want to pick one quote and integrate it to the routine itself. So, for example, before you do your studying session, you are going to be reading a quote maybe from your phone, maybe from your notes. Okay, you are going to be reading a quote that says, "Oh yeah, I'm going to read a book for 5 minutes every single day, regardless whether I'm feeling motivated or not." Okay, basically integrating the quote, the mindset, with our routine itself. Okay, and basically we read it every single time we wanted to be doing the 5 minutes of reading. Okay, integrating the mindset within the routine itself. And actually, after you read that quote, the thing that you wanted to be doing here is to actually read the book for 5 minutes regardless whether you are feeling motivated or not. Proving to yourself that, hey, you actually walk the talk. So, why this method is going to be effective in helping you stay consistent? Two reasons. First thing first, you are going to be reminding yourself why, about the right mindset, about why you do this thing, okay? About which way do you want it to direct your mind to see consistency, okay? You remind it on a day-to-day basis, every single day, about this mindset. But secondly, not only that you remind yourself about the right mindset, you also prove to yourself that we don't only talk the talk, but we walk the talk. We actually do the thing that we say that we are going to be doing, giving ourselves some evidence, some proof that, hey, we are actually the person. We are actually a disciplined person. Okay? And over time, every single day, you actually repeat this process. The link, the connection is going to be even stronger and stronger every single day. I'm not promising any spectacular results if you manage to stay consistent, but here's the thing. If you can stick to this plan for 7 days, we win. Very happy to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that more people will watch this video. And also join our Discord. You can support my long-form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. Would really be meaningful for me. And for today's day authenticity post, today's June 17th, 2025. And today's memes are posted a best man post last 24 hours, GMT +7. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.